Hi, welcome to Chapter 8, Sprite Lab. Remember, sprites are our characters or our objects we program to do something. If you like telling stories, you like having some kind of interactive experience, this is for you. So first, you're going to go to your projects up here. And the first one here is called Sprite Lab. So if you click there, that's where you get it. Okay? Here's my Sprite Lab project. I want you to see what happens and we're going to break it down. So here I have dialogue. The alien says, "Are you okay? You seem sad. Can I help you?" to the rabbit. And the rabbit says, "Yes, I lost my favorite stuffed animal." And the alien replies with, "Okay, let's go find it." And the rabbit says, "Thanks so much for helping me." What was that life skill we talked about? What does the alien have for the rabbit? You're right, empathy. So don't forget that, right? So here, I want you to take a look to see what I did. Do you see my background? Do you think I changed it? Oh, yes, I did. How did I get the alien to move? What happened when my alien hit my rabbit? When did it stop? Let's watch it again. Reset. And run. Okay, let's do one at a time. So, how did my alien get to the rabbit? Did you see me clicking the right arrow? Right? And then, what else happened? When my alien touched the rabbit, what started happening? There's more than one thing. See, my dialogue started. My rabbit started spinning. It stopped spinning when I clicked what? So, going back, how do you think I programmed my alien? So, would that be an event? Would it be a loop? A conditional? What do you think it is? Let's take a look. If you look here at this, when left pressed, my alien moved 40 pixels to the west. And then the sprite, the rabbit, will stop spinning. When I clicked right here, my alien went 40 pixels to the east. So watch that again. Run it. I click here. I click here. You just see my alien going left to right. But now, when does my rabbit start spinning? So when I hit the rabbit, and then my dialogue started too, right? So what do you think that is? That's an event, yes. So when the what touches what? Now here, look at it right here. See? Did you also hear a sound? I got a sound as well. So here I found it in a library of sounds, which is really fun. You could pick what you would like. And I typed in this dialogue here. This is me. Okay? And then how do you now look at where my character started, my sprites. You can program that too. So I can click here. I can start my alien up here if I want to, or here. So if you know the X and Y axis, it easily helps you locate that by just clicking. There's my alien. Same thing here. I can make my background change. I could make it to a desert if I wanted to. Cool, right? So you can make a story, you can make them interact, you can make a game, but this is lots of possibilities for Sprite Lab. You could change the backgrounds. Look at this. I could go to rainbow. You could go to find a tennis court. I mean, imagine if they're playing a game, right? Playing tennis. Can you make a game out of it? Can you make them score, have some kind of reaction, some dialogue? There's so much you can do. I could go to costumes. I can make them look different. I could change their here's my alien. I could change many things. I can make shapes. I could change colors. There's a lot of possibilities that you can do. All right. Take a look here and just explore and figure out what you want to do first. Then you can make some movements. You saw my rabbit spinning, right? So depending on the situation, you can see the possibilities of what you can do. There's a lot. So explore, have fun, and I'll see you in the next chapter.